This is the Akaso Brave 7 LE 4K action camera that's waterproof without a case, and it costs a third of what the GoPro is. So is it worth it? Take a look. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a reminder that we're giving away Fire Stick 4Ks and Fire Stick lights. All you have to do is check this video right here. I have the link in the description for you. Check out our other giveaways too. Hey everybody, I just want to remind you to go to this video here for the giveaway on the capture card. Why not? Okay, go do that and get some more stuff. I appreciate it. End of the drawing. Hey, do me a favor before we get started is put in comments, what do you look for in an action camera? I'd appreciate it. So what can you expect from an Akaso Brave 7 LE camera? Will it work as a vlogging camera for someone getting in, say, started into YouTube videos? All right, let's go ahead and jump in and find out. Okay, to start off, this is not a paid ad, and I'm not being limited to what I can say about this camera. Now, I purchased this on my own, and I wanted to give you an honest review about it. Hey, let me go ahead and run their promo for it. I'll go through it, and I'll give you my take on the camera, and is it right for you? Cue promo.
Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.
Now, to start with, this camera package comes with a lot more accessories than I thought it would, and in most cases it interchanges with GoPro mounts, and which is really nice because I have lots of those. Let's take a quick look at what it comes with. Now, what I like most about it is it has a 1/4-inch screw mount on the bottom, which is really nice. Now, the camera is equipped with the IPX7 water-resistant body that's good for all weather and up to 3 feet of water. And with the included waterproof case, you can go as deep as 131 feet. That is deep. I mean, really. Now, the Akaso comes with a new front screen like the GoPro to help you easily take selfie photos, your point of view videos, you know, the real-time display just in front of the camera. Now, one drawback is you can only use one screen at a time, front or back, and changing between them by holding the button on the top. It would be nice to be able to use both at the same time, but maybe on future models. Now, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. Each battery will give you about an hour filming time. Of course, depending on how you're using it. Now, you can charge your battery while it's in use using the camera. Now, there is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi supported remote control that can truly leave your hands free. It allows you to control the vlogging action camera from the distance. And that is extremely helpful when you're trying to film sports or taking selfies. Wrap it around your wrist like a watch or hide it in your pocket. Now, the SD card slot will take up to a 128 gigabyte card, which I found to be plenty of space and easy to get to. Now, the camera has 3 buttons, one for on and off and a Wi-Fi setting, and a menu button on top where you quick press it for menu or a long press for front and rear displays. Now, and also the shutter and record button. Now, it has a gimbal-like 6-axis stabilization gyroscope design to help correct vibrations, and when you're using this camera for action shots, it makes the video recording a lot more steady and smoother than a lot of the other 4-axis EIS cameras. Now, that stands for electronic image stabilization. Now, this action camera is also Wi-Fi supported and provides wireless photo and video sharing via app, iOS and Android system compatible, which allows you to easily use the camera for a YouTube, Instagram vlogging. Meanwhile, the built-in HDMI port enables you to directly connect it with other devices. Okay, at arm's length, this camera is recording through its internal mic because they don't have an external mic input. That's the knock. Okay, now this may be a concern because it doesn't have the output for an external microphone. Now, this is the H1N video sound recorder. This is fantastic. It works extremely well. So you can use this as an external microphone that records right here. You should have one anyways. And the cool thing with this is you can use it as, say, you're interviewing somebody or what have you. You can use it like that. Sounds great. You have an input here, so if you want to use a lapel mic or something like that, you can use that too. There's so many things that you want to use this for. Okay, what I'm going to do though is, here, let me go ahead and I'm going to turn it on just by pressing the record button. I'll put it back here and go, so I'm going to take it arm's length away, just like I did with the action camera. And this is the voice difference that you're going to get. So it might be a good idea. You might want to get one of these for your arsenal. It's not that expensive. I did a review on this before, and I'll try to make sure that it's posted for you. But check out the video. I think you're going to like that one too. In a second, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what my take is on this camera and the cost that may make it worth it. Hey, but if you could take a minute to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it. It don't cost you nothing, and it's great for the channel. Oh, and remember to go ahead and put in comments of what you are looking for in an action camera. Okay, my take on this camera, I like it. But is it as good as a GoPro? No, not many action cameras are in GoPro's class. But this camera is worth it. I would say with its impact resistant plastic housing, I mean, it's nice. I've dropped it from the roof already. Along with the front and rear viewer, maybe. My real con with this camera is not allowing for an external microphone, but for the price, you can pick up a Zoom H1N recorder, which you should have anyway. The camera would be great for the ones getting into the action cam arena. Now, for the price, which I paid, was $99 on a special, normally $139. Yeah. It packs a punch for that price. Hey, but always check my links in the description because I always try to keep up with the best deals possible with any discounts and so forth. So to be perfectly honest, at that price, I did buy 2 of these. It's great for the B-rolls. It's great for the time lapse. It's great for, you know, if you want to hook it up on top of your car all the time. Now, who would this camera benefit, in my opinion? If you're looking for a decent all-around vlogging camera, your first action camera. Now, I'm not one that needs it too much for an action camera, but as a secondary camera for slow motion and or time lapse, I think for the price of this and what it's for, I think you're going to do great with this camera. Small, like I said, this has really worked well. And like I said, I've already put it through its paces a little bit. I think for the reasons why I stated, it's well worth it. Hey, check out this video I picked out for you. I think you're going to like it. I think it's something that's going to be great for you. Hey, but please remember to subscribe and like this video so I can make more of them for you. Hey, so let's see you on the next one and have a great day.